Don't forget about our 5,000 subscriber giveaway. Here is a brand new, never used, in the box, doubled-in car stereo with GPS, subwoofer outputs, and even a rear backup camera. Comes with everything, free of charge to you. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, take a screenshot of it or a picture if you're using your TV, and send it over to _Gotti's Garage on Instagram. And then at 5,000 subscribers, one of you lucky ones will be chosen at random, and then you get to enjoy a brand new doubled-in car radio from Gotti's Garage. So enjoy the rest of this video. Don't forget to subscribe. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Gotti's Garage. And this video is a tool review video, and this video is sponsored by Tagvit. So Tagvit is an Amazon tool company. I'm going to do an unboxing video, show the quality, everything that comes in the box, and you guys can base your opinion on that, and I can base my opinion on that as well. So I would love to hear in the comments below what you guys think about this tool.
I played a cut with my homies, dressed in all black and we cozy. Can't say you love, you gotta show me. I ain't with my guys, then I'm dope.
Tools are important. I love tools. I buy tools all the time. The question is, should you buy high-range tools like Snap-on, Mac, or can you buy mid-range tools, you know, like I'd say Craftsman, something like that, or low-range tools, which is some of the Chinese tools that you find on Amazon. So this is a Tagvit torque wrench, and this is a 3/8 inch 6 to 46 foot-pounds. So this would be something small like maybe engine repair, things like that. And this one also comes with a extension and spark plug sockets and a swivel. I don't understand the spark plug sockets for a torque wrench. I've never personally torqued spark plug sockets, but I mean, in today's market where there's hundreds and hundreds of the same product but different companies and stuff, you want to stand out and you want to be different. So I think it's kind of cool that they included something else into the torque wrench other than just the torque wrench itself, which a lot of people did. Now, I have the Lexvity, I think it is. I have a video down below. I'll put a card up top, and it'll be in a suggested video at the end of this video. Now, I have that torque wrench, which I use all the time, and I love it. They saw my video, so they wanted to they wanted to send me this one so I can test this one out. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. And it comes in a nice case, nice plastic protective case, which is always important. And I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Now, I've never opened this up yet. I just want to point out also, when they mail this to you, this actually does come in a standard Amazon box. And this was inside the box. So I mean, already everything looks pretty good. The extension that they send to you looks very solid. Seems like it's in really nice quality. The swivel socket looks really nice. And then you got your 2-size spark plug socket as well. And these actually, interesting enough, looks like they come on where you can actually put a wrench on it. That is pretty cool. They're thin-walled, which is always good. And then we have the instructions and then the torque wrench itself, which already looking at it, it looks pretty good. So this one has already been dropped or something. I don't know if you can see that. I know my little light is blinding probably. So there's already scrapes on it. The metal does feel pretty cheap. It's not smooth chrome. I like the textured look, the brushed almost look. I like that, but it definitely feels a little cheap. I feel like, yep, it has a locking collar, so you adjust instead of unscrewing.
Motion detected at the front door.
So instead of unscrewing it, you can twist and adjust it. This one has a locking collar, so you can do that. And if you guys have any questions on how to actually properly set up a torque wrench, I can actually make a video after this about that, because I know when I first got one, I was a little confused. But this one looks pretty simple enough. And then it also has the reverse, forward and reverse. Let's see. And it has a ton of teeth between turns, which is always important too. Sometimes you can't really get a full, you know, quarter-inch turn or anything like that, or a quarter turn. This one feels like it has a lot of teeth. So my overall impression on this torque wrench is that it will probably work. Most likely it will work. On the box, it does say that it is plus or minus 3%. So the precision of the accuracy, say you are at, I always go foot-pounds of torque because we're in America. So like say if you're at 30, I don't know if you can see that very well, but 30 foot-pounds of torque, it'll be plus or minus 3%. So whatever 3% of 30 is, then that's the accuracy. So if you need something like, for instance, your crank main bearing caps or something, you're trying to torque those down and stuff, maybe a little bit better torque wrench might work better, be preferred. So overall condition, the metal feels cheap. It feels really cheap. But this being such a small torque wrench, you shouldn't be doing anything bigger than, you know, 46 foot-pounds. So I don't really feel like it would be breaking. The back of it is just like a plastic cap, which concerns me, because if you drop it, one drop, that plastic cap most likely is going to shatter off. This I don't understand. It didn't come with anything else in the box, so I don't understand why they would have a ratchet or, you know, open wrench, or, you know, that it's kind of weird to me. But apparently you can do that. I don't see where on here that we could even do that. This is a pin to hold the head in. Doesn't look like it even comes out or anything. And then, yeah, this is just a little locking, you know, so the socket will lock on, it pushes off. But I don't know. So we're gonna go ahead and hear the click now and see if it's loud enough where you don't accidentally over torque anything. So real quick, I found this interesting. This plastic cap on the back actually screws off, and that looks like where you would calibrate it. You got a little Allen head. Okay, so we got the inlet on the turbo. So this is set at 6 foot-pounds of torque. So we're gonna go ahead and listen to the click. So it's not a real click. So we're gonna tighten this up. We'll go up to, we'll do 30. All right, here's 30 foot-pounds. All right, guys, so here's the torque wrench, and as you guys saw, we did a 6 foot-pounds, which there wasn't really any click, but you could definitely feel the difference. 30, you heard the click. I hope you heard that on camera, but then you also felt it. So I think that is pretty cool that there's like a little kind of gap in between. A lot of them, like the Harbor Freight ones, all you get is a click, but it's really easy to over tighten. This one, you feel the whole head of the torque wrench actually move. And yeah, so actually, I feel like this is a really nice torque wrench. Well, I don't know about really nice. The quality, I don't know. It feels heavy duty. I don't like the plastic end of it. It seems pretty good for...
Motion detected at the front door.
It seems pretty good for the price of it. And yeah, so I definitely, if you guys want in the market for a cheap 3/8 torque wrench, I would definitely suggest going to pick this up. So the description for this and the link and a discount code will be in the description below. And you guys can go ahead and click on that and check it out. That subscribe button so you guys can be entered to win. Only one winner will be picked. www.gottisgarage1.com. Go ahead and pick some stuff up. Help with the channel. And I hope you guys like this review. And like I said, if you want a 3/8 torque wrench, you're obviously here for the torque wrench review. So I suggest you going down there and picking one up. Thank you. You guys have a great day. Stay different. Hit the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time.